Look, you could be using any of these numbers.
That's for vents.
This one, or this
No,
one,
well,
or this. Not that one. I know that one.
Oh, the corner
That
one, okay, I can use
or
that.
this. That one's a metal one. Or how about any one of these ones? Or this one.
No, maybe that one.
Or this one.
Okay, yeah,
This
get the-
one.
okay,
But look. So that all the way. Boom. That's how far we had to reach, right?
Yeah.
Now it's all clean. Now you can put my washer and dryer in. While I go get my eyelashes done.
Oh yeah.
All right, see you later. Bye.
So that works great for that. So I guess you're not using that anymore. So that's the second 2 feet. That's the first 3 feet. I guess we'll see how.
That's how house fires start.
Yeah. I guess we'll see how much further we can get this in there. What are you doing?
That thing.
What?
That's mine. That belongs in the bedroom.
It's working perfectly. Get out of here.
What do you have going on?
You said I was having a problem reaching, so I got another one.
Let me see what you got going on.
Look at how dirty your hole is. Can you see it?
Oh, it's a dirty hole.
All right, so we're gonna stick this in. We're gonna use the back in a minute, but for now, let's just. Oh.
Holy moly.
All right, that was what, 3 feet?
Oh boy.
Oh, well, at least it smells good. You were wondering why your dryer wasn't working well,
Yeah.
but for some reason you still wanted a new one.